thyroid is never an obesity medication, believe me. Never give thyroid to treat obesity. But for a short duration, if they supply to you, it is exactly at your discretion. Doctor has to see whether the pros and cons of it. A lot of people simply give thyroid. Evaxate करके दवाई आ गई थी. Thyroid extract. Not a problem. Few people are responding good. Few are having features of hyperthyroidism because it is basically a desiccated thyroid extract. So thyroid आपने निकाला हुआ है. किसी का भी पोर्साइन थायराइड है जो भी है उसको हमने ट्राई किया हुआ है और उसको पर अभी द होल थायराइड ग्लैंड डज नॉट हैव थायराइड हार्मोन, इट्स इन द पॉकेट. जब उसको फ्रीज और ड्राई करके आप डालते हो तो फ्यू टैबलेट मे नॉट कंटेन एनी थायराइड, सम टैबलेट्स मे कंटेन लॉट ऑफ थायराइड, इट हैज गॉट बोथ T3 and T4, but the problem is the best to best variation is too much, but people were using it as a supplement. A lot of dietitians were using it, just giving Evaxate just like that. But Evaxate is thyroid. I see a lot of people literally jittery after taking it. So that has to be completely the clinician's choice whether to use it or not. Again, the similar is the testosterone, growth hormone, all those adaptive mechanisms which have happened. Do we really need to counteract them? If needed, do it. If the plateau is there for long, we can very well do it. If we don't want to play with all of them, then comes the role of HCG protocol. Okay, ठीक है. So let's give one HCG only. That may indirectly take care of everything. harm तो नहीं करेगा कम से कम. It may give some advantage. So HCG is not a weight loss medication. Let's be very very clear about it. वजन कम करने की दवाई नहीं है. It should never be promoted like that. It should not be promoted like a miracle therapy. So what it is doing is, we're talking about it later on, but it is simply you're putting a patient on mode of starvation or a dieting. Just patient should not land up in that adaptive mechanism, or to fight that adaptive mechanism for plateau, you are giving HCG, which can take care of all the excess